Tracee Ellis Ross did her big one when she created this patterned hair styling line. If you're looking for a lightweight styling trio that gives your curls the love they deserve, this mini kit from Pattern by Tracee Ellis Ross is a must try. I love how each product in the curl cocktail kit works together to leave my curls soft, defined, and touchable. The texture is just right, not too thick or too runny, and never weighs my hair down, which is huge for those of us with thicker strands. The leave-in conditioner helps seal in moisture while enhancing my natural curl pattern. It gives my hair that hydrated look without feeling heavy. Then there's the styling cream, which adds moisture and hold without any crunch. Perfect for ponytails or wash and go styles. And my favorite part, the curl gel. It leaves my curls looking juicy and defined with just the right amount of flexible hold. I also love the light clean scent. It's pleasant and not overpowering. And since it's a mini kit, it's great for travel or just trying out the set before committing to full sizes. Whether you're refreshing a puff, doing a wash and go, or touching up a protective style, this little trio packs a big punch.